y'all, we're back with another video. As you can see that the garden bed is now completely empty. Today is the big reveal of the what? The potatoes. Yes, here they are. We